If you want to know how to make money in a simple, proven, and realistic way in the USA, this method is already making billions of dollars every year. And most people completely ignore it because it looks too simple. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money using a real-world business that works for beginners. If you are serious about making money and you want a simple way to start without complicated skills, this is one of the easiest and most trusted ways to make money in the USA. When people think about how to make money, they usually think about online businesses, crypto, dropshipping, or complicated side hustles. But the truth is, some of the most powerful ways to make money are physical services that people already pay for every single week. One of the best examples of this is a residential cleaning service. In the USA, millions of busy families, working couples, seniors, and Airbnb hosts hire professional cleaners on a regular basis. For many Americans, hiring a cleaner is not a luxury anymore. It is a normal part of life. People are busy, they work long hours, and they would rather pay someone to clean their home than spend their limited free time doing it themselves. The U.S. residential cleaning industry is a multi-billion-dollar market, and tens of millions of households use professional cleaning services. This industry continues to grow every year because more people are working, more short-term rentals like Airbnb exist, and more families value time over money. This means demand is strong and consistent, which is exactly what you want when you are trying to make money. In simple terms, people don't want to clean. They want to come home to a clean house. They want to relax on the weekend. They want to spend time with their kids. So instead of cleaning, they happily pay professionals. This is why cleaning services have repeat customers. Most clients don't just hire once, they book weekly or bi-weekly cleanings. That means one customer can pay you again and again every month. Now let's talk about real earning potential, because this is where it gets very interesting for anyone who wants to make money. In many areas of the USA, the average house cleaning visit costs between $120 and $280, depending on house size, location, and service type. Some deep cleanings and move-out cleanings can pay even more. Let's keep the math simple. If you clean just one house for $150, that's already good money for a few hours of work. If you clean 2 houses per day, that's around $300 per day. If you do this 5 days a week, that's around $1,500 per week. Over a month, that can easily become $6,000 or more. If you grow a little and add more clients, raise prices, or work with Airbnb hosts, offices, or property managers, it's very realistic for small cleaning businesses to reach $8,000 to $10,000 per month. Many solo cleaners and small teams in the USA already do this. This is why cleaning services are one of the most underrated ways to make money. Another powerful reason this works is because it is beginner-friendly. You do not need a college degree. You do not need expensive equipment. You do not need a fancy office. Many people start with simple tools like a vacuum, mop, cleaning chemicals, and a car. That's it. Some people even start by cleaning homes themselves before hiring workers later. Getting customers is also easier than people think. Many cleaning businesses get their first clients from Facebook groups, Facebook Marketplace, Google business listings, word of mouth, and referrals. Once you clean one house and do a good job, people often recommend you to friends and family. This creates free marketing and steady growth. One of the biggest advantages of this method is stability. Online income can change, algorithms can change, platforms can ban accounts, but people will always need clean homes. Physical services like cleaning are local, trusted, and hard to replace. This makes it a very strong long-term way to make money. Another reason people succeed in this business is because trust is built over time. Once someone trusts you in their home, they usually stay with you for a long time. This means your income becomes more predictable. Predictable income is one of the most important things when you are serious about making money and building financial stability. Many people are searching for how to make money fast, but they forget that real money comes from solving real problems. Cleaning is a real problem that millions of people have. When you solve a real problem, people pay you happily. That's how real businesses are built. Most people want some secret trick to make money, but the truth is, simple businesses that people actually need are often the best. The cleaning business is not flashy, it's not trendy, but it works. And it works every single day, in every city, in every state in the USA. If you are looking for how to make money in a realistic, proven, and scalable way, physical service businesses like cleaning can outperform many online methods. You can start small, grow step by step, and turn it into a serious income stream over time. The key is not to overthink it. You don't need perfection, you just need to start. 1 client can become 5. 5 can become 10. 10 can become a full-time income. This is how many successful small businesses in the USA are built. Most people scroll social media looking for complicated ways to make money, but some of the best ways to make money are simple, boring, and extremely profitable. Cleaning is one of those businesses. If you want more real and simple ways on how to make money, follow this channel. I'll show you both online and offline methods that actually work, so you can build real income, real skills, and real financial freedom. Subscribe now, and I'll show you step-by-step ways to make money, both online and offline, that actually work in the real world.